Hey guys, so I'm wearing today, I just don't know what I want to do. You ever get those days? It's like every day of my life. Maybe I'll do like a brown smoky eye. That's what I'm gonna do. You guys want to see brown smoky eye? So my transitional color goes in my crease, but like it really sets down my concealer. I never use, little makeup tutorial, I never use anything but concealer as like my primer. I don't use primers. Thankfully, I don't have like oily skin or I don't have acne scars. Not thankfully, I have very dry skin, which is a pain in the butt. But because I have very dry skin, I don't feel the need to ever use a primer or like a pore filler. So I usually just put concealer right on my eye. That's what I just used. And then I just like to use a transitional shade to like set the makeup down. I actually have hooded eyes, believe it or not. Look at that. When I have no expression on, where are my lids? That's why I'm always like, yeah, this is great. And then I have like premature wrinkles. Well, I guess they're not premature. I'm gonna be 34. They're not premature. They are timed correctly. This is the time I should be getting them. Plus, I have a lot going on in my life, so I have wrinkles. Okay, guys, I'm not upset about it. All right, so I'm gonna go right in. I've never done a smoky eye like this before, so I'm just gonna go balls to the wall on it. Yes, you can have a smoky eye outside of black. You don't always have to have a black smoky eye. You can do smoky eye. You could smoke out anything you want, like virtually anything. Just don't smoke out nicotine because it's really freaking bad for you guys. Like seriously. Deep Thoughts by Erica. See, like right now I'm putting this on and like because I didn't put anything on this part of my concealer, it's like tacky and it like sucks up the makeup like right away. I was talking to Danielle, my client, Danielle Black, and we were talking about like lids and she was like, oh, she's like, I like she has like hooded lids too. She doesn't call them hooded lids, but that's what she has. And she's like, you know, sometimes I have to tag her in this because she's gonna die. She's like, sometimes like my makeup like I'll have like makeup up here and I'm like, how did I get makeup up there? I didn't put makeup up there, but it's like that's what hooded eyes are. So it's like I'll sit like this and then I have makeup in areas I did not put it. That is hooded eyes. So you just got to kind of work with it. I'm going to actually stop this video now and I'm going to do my makeup and then I'll come back. Had to come back on. How funny is this? It reminds me of do you guys remember the movie Little Monsters? I think if you were born in like the 80s or like lived through the 80s, you probably remember that movie with Ben Savage and Fred Savage, their brothers, and Howie Mandel is the monster. I used to be in love with Howie Mandel, the Little Monsters version, like the actual monster. I was in love with him. I was like, I want to be so cool like him. This is true. I was also in love with the cat from Paula Abdul's video Opposites Attract. In love with the cat. I wanted to date the cat. I am very weird. I give inanimate objects personalities and feelings, and I also I just I love all things. I'm a weird person. I really am. I never even realized that like I gave inanimate objects like feelings and stuff until my husband was like, that piece of paper doesn't have feelings. And I was like, how do you know? This is not a joke, folks. This is real life. I am a real person, and this is really my brain. It's very strange. But anyway, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, it reminded me of the movie Little Monsters. I used to love that movie. Me and my husband watched it the other day. I mean, it's still pretty good. It's not like as good as it was when I was little, and like I no longer have a crush on him, but it's still a good movie, you know? All right, I gotta fix this because my makeup looks cray cray, manene. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, I'm back. All right, guys, I'm back. Literally have something to say. What I was gonna say is, or what I'm going to say is, back in the day when I used to watch YouTube like religiously, like literally religiously, Jacklyn Hill was my like favorite YouTuber, and like I still like her, even though like I know like her first lipstick line like bombed and stuff, but I'm like, you get it, girl. Like you do you. Good for you, girl power. I really, 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 truly want her highlight collection. Like it's a little expensive for me right now for like to have it personally, but like I would love it. Like I think it's like Good for you. Good for you. But the whole point of this was that she used to say like, oh, I haven't been wearing mascara. I haven't been wearing eyeliner in a while. I just pop on lashes and go. And I was like, this girl's crazy. Like, my makeup looks weird over here. I remember thinking like, she out of her mind. Like, I would never not wear eyeliner. And now, because out of sheer laziness, I don't feel like cleaning my personal eyeliner brush, and it's like literally hard as a rock right now. Like, did you hear that? It like snapped. Anyway, I don't feel it basically just all came off. It was like a shell. But anyway, I don't feel like cleaning my personal eyeliner brush. So I haven't been wearing eyeliner, and I do wear lashes often. Today I am not. Today I'm not wearing lashes. These are my natural lashes. But now I'm like, I get it. I get it, Jack. Jack, I get it. I totally get it. You don't have to wear eyeliner. You can just wear a lot of mascara. I feel like my nose is running. I'm going to go blow my nose. I'll be right back. And so, yeah, that's it. So this is my eye look. It's definitely not as smoky as I wanted it to be because I got like real lazy about it. And I was like, not in the mood for this anymore. So I just changed it up. But that's like the beauty of makeup. You could just be like, nah. Want to change it up. So that's what I did. This is really annoying me. I don't know what's going on over here. But, yeah, I feel like my skin looks like multicolored and like weird. Help me, I'm poor. BTW, personally, I only wear cheap makeup. Did you know that? Did you know I only wear cheap makeup personally? My makeup that I have for like you guys, for like weddings and stuff, is like my expensive, really nice stuff. And that stays at the salon. It does. I don't bring it home. And then at home, I use like e.l.f. and my cheap Amazon palette. All right. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.